In this tutorial, I want to show you how you can manually adjust the number of processors that Excel is using. To do this, go to File, all the way down to Options. And now you're going to want to click on Advanced. After clicking on Advanced, you're going to want to scroll all the way down, right near the bottom, about 90% of the way down, until you see Formulas. And here you can either unclick enable multi-threaded calculation, which is the default. You're usually going to want to use multi-threaded calculation to make sure your things process quickly. And you can either use all the processors on your computer, or you can manually adjust it to be for as many as your computer will allow. For some reason, it's letting me go more than 8 when there are only 8 on the computer. But you can kind of see the point. And this is great if you're running things that are other things on your computer that are extra heavy, and you don't want Excel to use all the processing power, or if for some reason you also want to make sure that Excel is using all the processing power possible. This will help you do that. Hope you found this to be helpful. If you did, like, subscribe, comment. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.